Attorney Ignacio, I can't believe na pinapalit mo ang Keystone para maging co-counsel ni Attorney Lilet. Some would say that's career suicide.
Hindi career suicide to, Attorney Renan. Ang tawag dito, fulfilling my sworn duty to protect the innocent and fight for justice.
I see. Pero handa ka ba sa laban? Alam mo ba ang pinapasok mo? I'm curious to know, Attorney, please indulge me. How does a rookie like you expect to win against a seasoned criminal lawyer like myself?
Alam ko naman na mas malawak ang experience mo kaysa sa akin. But I have one big advantage na wala ka.
And that is?
Nasa panig ko ang katotohanan. Dahil totoong inosente si Lilet. Kaya kampante ako na maaabswelto siya.
O sige. Good luck.
This court has taken note of all the arguments raised by both parties regarding the petition for bail of the accused. Counsels, any further oral arguments for today's hearing?
Your Honor, I would like to reiterate that we strongly oppose this petition for bail. As argued earlier, the pieces of evidence that we've gathered present a strong case for guilt against Attorney Lilet Matias. Therefore, she should not be eligible for bail.
Your Honor, clearly, the pieces of evidence presented by the prosecution does not equate to a strong evidence of guilt. As previously presented, there are several loopholes in the eyewitness testimony of Evelyn Magas. Therefore, it is not enough basis to deny the petition for bail of Attorney Matias.
Your Honor, this case is about a brutal act committed in cold blood. If bail is granted, then the accused poses a significant threat of fleeing, particularly given that the gravity of her charges are quite severe, Your Honor. Furthermore, it could also endanger public safety, not to mention that it could set the dangerous precedent that violent crimes can be excused with monetary conditions. Your Honor, I implore you to please deny this petition for bail. Granting bail to Attorney Lilet Matias would be tantamount to setting a criminal free, Your Honor. And frankly, that's just something I vehemently believe that this court should never allow.
Your Honor, what Attorney Allen said is preposterous. When he mentioned public safety, it's as if he has totally forgotten the physical structure of the accused. And the grant of bail being tantamount to setting a criminal free is a slip I may possibly expect from a new bar passer. A seasoned criminal lawyer should not loosely call an accused a criminal. The prosecution is clearly playing on fears and emotions, and supposed strong guilt of the accused is only anchored on the sole eyewitness testimony, in which highly questionable. And most importantly, Attorney Lilet Matias deserves the chance to defend herself, or should not be called or even referred to in passing as a criminal.
Your Honor, let it be stated on the record and for Attorney Ignacio's benefit that nowhere in my previous statement did I ever call the accused a criminal. Unless the word tantamount doesn't mean anything anymore. Your Honor, that's all.
Attorney Matias?
Your Honor, I understand the repercussions of non-appearance, resulting to a trial in absentia. Most importantly, I don't have a reason to flee nor hide, for I am confident that I can prove myself innocent before this court. I am more than determined to see this case through so that I can start going after my mother's real killer.
Your Honor.
Yes, Attorney Allen?
Although the accused claims that she has no intentions of fleeing, unfortunately, intentions alone is just not sufficient to ensure that she will not jump bail. In fact, it is the prosecution's duty to ensure that this community is protected, Your Honor. And in good conscience, we cannot allow to release someone who has already shown a potential for violence, Your Honor. I urge you to please consider the implications of granting bail and deny this claim. If only that the court would send the message that the privilege of bail should only be reserved to those who truly deserve it.
Ano siyang pansinin? Parte ng tactics niya yan para ma-intimidate tayo. Mag-focus na lang tayo.
Having heard the oral arguments presented by both parties regarding the bail petition for the accused, Atty. Lilet Matias, I find it prudent to allow both parties to have more time to enable them to be able to present more witnesses to bolster their position. Clerk of Court, please schedule another hearing within 2 weeks' time. As you know, this is a system procedure, so the court will decide within 30 days from when we first convened. Until then, Atty. Lilet Matias remains in custody. This court is adjourned.
Matias, patuloy mo pinaninindigan ng pagiging inosente. Anong ebidensya ang sa tingin mong makakapagpatibay sa mga pahayag mo?
Pasensya na ho, pero hindi ko pwedeng i-detalye sa inyo ang depensa namin.
Baka naman kasi wala siyang evidence to prove that she's innocent. Kaya wala ho siyang masagot sa inyo.